In a time where the construction industry emphasizes on speed, quality, and cost, we turn to the Industrialized Building System, IBS. IBS is a construction method where building components are manufactured and then transported on site to be assembled. Thus, IBS is quick and maintains high quality with low wastage. It requires less on-site workers and overall reduces costs. Malaysia wants to supplement its economic growth with the use of IBS through its Construction Industry Development Board (CIDB) by providing knowledge and training as well as rewarding construction projects with an IBS score. The IBS score puts emphasis on the use of prefabricated components, use of standardized components, and its repeatability. The maximum IBS score for a building is 100 points. The score is composed of 3 parts. Part 1. Structural system of the project contributing a maximum of 50 points. Part 2. The wall system with its maximum score contribution of 20 points. And Part 3. Other simplified construction solutions with the remaining 30 points. The following apartment model construction time-lapse will show the IBS construction method and materials in relation with its scoring system. Precast concrete pad footings are laid on the excavation site while ground beams and slabs are attached. However, foundation components do not contribute any points to the IBS score. Precast concrete columns are bolted on the footings and the joint connection is casted with concrete. The columns are attached vertically and the rebar in the center reinforces the connection. They are joined by bolts and the bolts are then grouted. Every column used are sized according to Malaysian standard 1064, thus giving us 4 points. The beam is placed on the bearing pads of column corbel and is secured with a protruding rebar. The gaps in between are then grouted. All of the beams in the building are in accordance to MS 1064, adding another 4 points. The wall panels are slotted in their designated positions between the skeletal structure. The gaps are filled with grout to secure the walls. The wall sizes are in tangent with MS 1064, adding 4 points. The doors and windows of the apartment are 100% compliant with MS 1064, delivering 4 points each. As all the walls used are precast concrete walls, this brings us full IBS score of 20 points for Part 2. The slabs are fitted at the edges of the beam, and the slab rebars secure the adjacent slabs. The gaps are then grouted. The slab sizes follow MS 1064. Adding another 4 points. The landing and stairs are joined by concrete rebate and the gaps are grouted. However, the prefabricated stairs do not account into the IBS score. Bathroom ports are used in this apartment and thus they are slotted to their designated location. Even though they are prefabricated, they do not contribute any points. The prefabricated roof trusses are secured onto the building via L brackets, and the rafters are bolted on the trusses. The columns, beams, and slabs used are precast concrete, while the roof trusses used are of prefabricated steel. This provides a full score for Part 1. Lastly, the repetition of floor-to-floor height as well as the vertical and horizontal repetition of the structural floor layout brings us a total of 6 points. Therefore, the total IBS score of this apartment building is the full score of 100 points.